Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 1 3 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and simply tap on the battery. As you can see here we've got the option battery percentage, which is right now turned off, so we've got only the battery icon on the status bar. So all you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher right here, and as you can see from now on, right next to the battery icon we've got the exact percentage of the usage of the battery. Of course you can turn it off the same way, but let me leave it like this. So actually this is it. This is how to show battery percentage on the status bar in your SONY Xperia 1 3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.